Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make File Explorer dark mode. First, you want to come here and right click on start. We will basically be accessing our settings. Okay, so I've clicked on my settings right here, and then all you want to do is come here and click on personalize. Okay, come here and click on this, and then what I need you to do is click on colors. Okay, now there's a bunch of options here. What I need you to do is toggle this one on for dark. So choose your default app mode, turn on a dark, and you'll see changes happening right now, as you can see. And there we go. I'll open up my File Explorer. And here we go. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this helped.